Life isn't perfect, but our sign can be. Hi guys, this is Stacy. Welcome back to lcsign channel. If you are looking for some special things for your business, follow me. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the link below the video to stay updated with business growing tips. See, this acrylic battling sign. This is a piece of acrylic and your business name or logo can be put on it. That's amazing, guys. We can also make different colors and shapes such as square, most cost-effective than illuminated sign. It is suitable for clothing stores, salons, or restaurants, even for home decoration. And guys, I must tell you something, that long life and easy installation. So guys, what do you think of this special sign? You just can comment and let me know. We are professional sign maker with over 30 years experience, so don't hesitate to choose us. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do that for us right now. And hit that like the button and comment to let me know. See you next time.